Good morning all. Welcome to Biomechanics College online classes. Now till now we have been covering some questions, CET or Neet questions on electrochemistry, and let's continue with the next part of the questions. First question is, for the cell reaction Zn plus 2 plus Mg plus 2, Zn plus Mg plus 2, 0.1 m gives rise to Zn plus 2, 1 m plus Mg solid. The EMF was found to be 0.2312 volt. The standard EMF of the cell is, okay. Now they have given the concentrations of the respective ions, and they have given EMF, normal EMF, and they want standard EMF. So in such cases, we can use Nernst equation, that is Ii Cet is equal to Ii naught cell minus 0.0591 by n log Kc, by n log Kc. Okay. Now in the question they want us to calculate Ii naught cell, okay, standard EMF. And they have given us this EMF, normal EMF as 0.2312 volt. Okay, this is equal to, now Ii naught cell is, so this you leave it as it is, we are calculating now. Okay, then minus 0.0591 by, now what is 0.0591 by n? N means here number of moles of electrons involved. For this reaction, how many moles of electrons or how many electrons involved? 2 electrons. Log, what is Kc? Product concentration by reactants concentration. So what is the product? We have Zn plus 2 ions divided by concentration of copper plus 2 ions. Okay. So now I will write 0.2312 is equal to Ii naught cell minus, just for easy calculation we are taking this one as 0.06 because after 5 9 is there, rounded off to 0.06 by 2 log. Now what is zinc concentration given? It is 1 molar. Okay, copper plus 2 it is magnesium. Magnesium plus 2 concentration is given as magnesium plus 2 concentration is given as 0.1. That means log 1 by 0.1. Okay, 0.1. Now log 1 by 0.1 we have 0.1 can be written as 10 raised to minus 1. If I take 10 raised to minus 1 numerator, 10 raised to plus 1, that means 10. So what is value of log 10 base 10? It is 1. That means this total term will be equal to 1. Why? Because 1 by 0.1 means 10. Log 10 is 1. So log 10 is 1. Now that means what I can write from this Ii naught cell. So I write like this one more step, 0.2312 is equal to Ii naught cell minus 0.06 by 2 can be written as 0.03. Okay. Now finally, what I can write from here, Ii naught cell will be equal to, so 0.2312 plus 0.03 I can do. So this will come to be 0.2612. Okay. So approximately what is the option I have here is, so since here I have rounded off, so I got 0.03. If you take directly 0.0591, then you will get the extended number. So if you take the extended number, then exact value what you will get is 0.26 after that 7 volts or something. Exact value is this one. Okay, so the option is D, 0.267. Okay, so remaining options nowhere it is 26, only option 4 is 26, 0.26. That's why I have taken the option D. Okay, so if you take this one completely and divide it, then you will get the exact 0.2670 also. Okay, so for easy calculation I have taken here rounded off figure. Okay, so this is about first question. Now next question is, in the following cell EMF is 1.1 volt. So the cell reaction is given to us. Then what about delta G naught they are asking. Okay, so delta G naught. What is delta G naught? Standard Gibbs free energy. Okay, so the cell's standard EMF is given. Okay, standard EMF is given as E naught is equal to 1.1 volt, and they want delta G naught value for this same reaction. So we have a relation, delta G standard, delta G naught is equal to, you know one relation, minus NF E naught cell, right or not? Delta G standard is equal to minus NF E standard. So minus what is 2? What is N value here? N value for this reaction is again 2 only. Okay, so 2 into what is the Faraday? 1 Faraday will be equal to 96,500 coulombs. Okay, into E standard E naught cell. What is E naught cell given to us? 1.1 volt. 1.1 volt. Now that means if you multiply 2 and this 96,500 and 1.1, then it will be approximated to, or the answer you will get in the range of minus 212.3. Okay, and the answer should be reported in kilojoules. Basically, if you directly calculate, your answer will be in joules. Okay, you will be in joules. Direct calculation you will get in joules. Why? Because here it is Faraday's coulombs per mole. This is volt and this is mole. Mole per mole cancel. Coulomb into volt. Your answer will be coulomb volt. Coulomb into volt is nothing but joules. But in the final answer, you need to report it in kilojoules, because in all the options it is kilojoules only. So that's why the answer will be, the correct answer for this one will be minus 212.3 kilojoules. If you multiply and see, you will get that. So that is option C. Okay. Coming to the next part, next question. For the cell reaction, 4Br minus plus O2 plus 4H plus gives rise to Br2 plus 2H2O. E standard is 0.16 volt. Then what is the value of log Kc they want? Okay, log Kc. Now E standard E naught cell is given 0.16 volt, and what they need is log Kc value. Log Kc value is required. Okay. Now, what is the relation between E standard cell and log Kc? Relation between E standard cell and log Kc is E naught cell is equal to, okay, 2.303, or I can write directly 0.0591 by n log Kc. You can also write 2.303 RT by MF also there is no issue, but if you substitute the total values, however it is going to be 0.0591 by M, log Kc. Now that means you want log Kc value. So you need to substitute here 0.16 in this is equal to. Now I'll approximate this one. I will approximate this one to 0.06 by what is the M value again? For this reaction, N value we want 4 bromide ions, 4 protons. Means how many charges are involved? 4 electrons. That means N value for the reaction is 4 log Kc. Now that means here you can cross multiply or you can take like this. Log Kc should be equal to now. Log Kc must be equal to 0.16 into 4 divided by 0.06. So you will get this value. So 0.06. Then if you take the further calculation, if you take, then here it will be, it is 4624 and 10. So this is 0.104. You can get that is 0.16 into 4 is this 24. This is 4 6. Okay, 1 and it is 6. Okay, so it is point. That means it is 0.64. It is 0.64 divided by 0.06. Divided by 0.06. Now that means it is approximately this value comes approximately to 10.8. Okay, it comes to 10.8. So what is log Kc? Log Kc is 10.8. So that is option is B. Okay, so 64 into 10 raised to minus 2, or you can simply cut off this one decimals. So 64 by 6 you do. 64 by 6 it will be 10.8. So that is the final answer, 10.8. Log Kc. Next one. The equilibrium constant for the reaction is given to us, and the reaction is Cu copper solid plus 2 silver plus ions aqueous gives rise to copper plus 2 ions plus 2 AgCl is given to us. So it is 2 Ag, only Ag, 2 Ag. Okay. So this is again solid. For this each standard is 0.46 volt. Okay. Then what is the equilibrium constant they want? So now let us again calculate here. Each standard for the reaction is 0.46 volt. Each standard for the reaction is 0.46 volt. Okay, and we want Kc. We want Kc value. Okay, now let us again do the calculation. Same relation. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n log Kc. E naught cell is given 0.46 volts. Is equal to, again I take this rounded off figure, 0.06 by what is N value for this reaction? See here, copper changing from Cu to Cu plus 2. So how many electrons again? 2 only. So 2 log Kc. Log Kc. Now this one will be, I will write log Kc will be equal to, log Kc will be equal to 2 into 0.46 divided by 0.06. Now you see all the answers. So here multiplying this one, you will get 0.46 into 2 if you do is 0.92. So it is 0.92 divided by 0.06 it will come. Okay. So what is log KC? Log KC is 0.92 by 0.06. Let me write it is 92 into 10 power minus 2 or 6 into 10 power minus 2. That means 92 divided by 6. 92 divided by 6. What is the approximate value you should get here? 6 once it is then it is going to be 3, 2. Then it is 6, 5. It is okay. So it is 2. That means approximately the value comes around 15 point some number. That is 15.3 also you can take. There is no 15.3 approximate value. Now you want Kc. So what is Kc? Anti-log you should do for this number. Anti-log of this number you should do. Remember, anti-log of any number will be 10 raised to that number. So that is a shortcut way to remember. Anti-log of any number is 10 raised to that number. Now anti-log of this number should be equal to some value. Log digits you will get decimals. 10 power 15 should be the final answer. So that means anti-log of Kc is some number into 10 raised to 15 you will get. And in the options you check here 10, 10 and here also 10, but only this option it is 10 raised to 15. So the right option is C, 4 into 10 raised to 15. That 4 when you will get means if you open the anti-log table, solve the complete decimal point until the decimal point, and then you will get here 4 points. Okay. So then coming to the next question. For a cell reaction involving two electron change, the standard EMF was found to be 0.295 volt at 25 degrees. Then Kc is how much? Cell potential is given as 0.295 and they want Kc, and they are saying that N value is 2 for this reaction. N value is 2. That means E0 cell, again the same formula, 0.0591 by N log Kc, and you know that here 0.295 is this one, and it is rounded off to 0.06 by 2 because N value they only said it is 2 log Kc. Now that means I can write from this equation log Kc must be equal to, okay, this is divided how many times? 3 times, 2 3s. So log Kc should be equal to 0.295 by 0.03. Okay, this comes approximately to 10 point. So it will come approximately, that is approximately 10.001 or something. That is it is nothing but 0.3 and it is 0.03. So the answer should be 10. So Kc value should be anti-log of 10. What is anti-log of 10? 10 raised to 10. Anti-log of 10 is 10 raised to 10. So the answer is 1 into 10 raised to 10. Now last question. The electrochemical cell stops working after some time because. Now you know that in electrochemical cell, for example, let us take the case with the galvanic cell only. What is happening here? You will take zinc electrode and copper electrode. Zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate, copper electrode dipped in copper sulfate. After some time, what will happen? The cell potential will become 0. Overall EMF of the cell becomes 0. Cell stops working. Why it will become 0? Initially there were electrons moving from zinc electrode to copper electrode. So after that what will happen? After some time the zinc potential or the copper potential keeps on decreasing until the point reaches where the equilibrium is attained. That means potential of zinc will get exactly equal to the potential of copper. So equilibrium is attained in this reaction, and at that point the cell denotes 0 volt. Okay, 0 volt means the cell stopped working, but it does not mean that the potential of the total zinc is 0 and the potential of the total copper electrode is 0. No, both potentials become equal. That's why net EMF of the cell will become 0. That is the state where equilibrium is attained. Okay, so cell reaches 0 potential. Okay, so that is answer is electrode potential of both electrodes become equal. That's why cell potential will be 0 and cell stops working. Thank you for now. Continue next.